right, Daniel. I can see why you've chosen the song, because it's got a very clear narrative structure to it, hasn't it? Because you can obviously perform out this scenario, these two girls, and that will allow you to choose two different ethnicities and everything else. How are you going to have, same question I asked Charlotte really, are you going to have the singers also being the actors in the narrative, or are you going to have that as a separate?
Yeah, the same.
Yeah, you're going to have the same people.
Like they can be like singing to like the girls.
And then have you got in mind who you would use for that?
Yeah, sort of.
Right, okay.
But they're outside of school.
Okay, that's not a problem. A lot of people do that. What's this now? Sorry. Problem number 2. Okay, so you've got some people in mind, but they're outside the school. You're going for that narrative. Are you also going to have a performance bit, like the video we saw there where they were sort of dancing in front of the camera?
Yeah.
You know, something along those lines. Alright, anybody got any other questions for Daniel?
You see the video that you showed us, that's kind of like old school, where you're going to like kind of do that kind of old school look where you change it up so it's more like
Way more than that.
like that.
Do you have any idea for the story about how it's actually going to happen?
No, I don't really.
What happens at the end of the song? Does he choose one of them or not?
Yeah.
He doesn't choose one of them. So you could have something where they both basically play him, since that's the song about him them being players, isn't it? But they play him and somehow trick him. Do you see what I mean? You could do something along those lines maybe. You also said that they were going to be wearing clothes that were modern, retro. What does that mean?
That.
Do you mean like the people who wear like them big glasses and loads of luminous colours and things like that? Is that what you mean by modern retro or not?
I'm not sure. But yeah, it's just look fresh.
Fresh looking. Right, okay. And what was the other thing I was going to ask you about with the video?
Where's the location?
Yeah, where are you going to film it?
I'm not sure. I want to like try and get one in Matt's house.
Okay. I think you've probably got quite a lot of details that you need to work out here, haven't you? That's probably something you need to think about. You know, another thing that people could do is if you can persuade certain places like, you know, like, I don't mean DFS, but places like that have room sets in them. Do you know what I mean? Like kitchen sets and all that. If you can persuade them to let you in early when they are doing things, and you could film in there, and it actually would work, because you'd have quite a limited space. But that might be another way around for you if you want something very glamorous looking that you haven't obviously got. Okay.
Can you do like a show home this?
Yeah, if you can persuade them to let you in, you could do it in a show home. You know, you've got like one around the corner there, haven't you? Which might be quite nice. I mean, you know, within reason, most people are quite generous with these sorts of things. But again, it's the sort of thing you need to be organising now for in advance. Okay, thank you, Daniel. Right, the next person is Marla.